How do you know if someone is bullying you? It's hard to know where to turn when someone is making you feel small, hurt, or scared. Bullying isn't always obvious. It can happen in subtle ways, but its impact is real and deep. Whether it's hurtful words, cruel actions, or even isolation, no one should have to face it alone. Recognizing the signs of bullying is the first step to taking control, standing up for yourself, and seeking support. If you've ever felt trapped in a cycle of humiliation, fear, or anxiety, it's time to shine a light on what's happening and take a stand for your own well-being. Let's dive into how you can recognize the signs and take the power back. Number 1. Persistent name-calling and insults. Bullying often involves consistent verbal attacks designed to belittle or demean you. Number 2. Physical aggression or threats. Physical intimidation, hitting, pushing, or making threats is a clear sign of bullying. Number 3. Exclusion from social groups. Bullying can manifest through deliberately isolating you from friends, activities, or groups to make you feel alone. Number 4. Spreading hurtful rumors or lies. A common bullying tactic is to spread false information to damage your reputation or relationships. Number 5. Cyberbullying. Online harassment, including hurtful messages, posts, or social media attacks, is another form of bullying that is becoming increasingly common. Number 6. Manipulation or control. A bully may attempt to control your behavior, choices, or even your friendships, making you feel trapped or helpless. Number 7. Belittling your achievements. A bully may downplay or mock your accomplishments to make you feel insignificant or unworthy. Number 8. Humiliating or embarrassing you in public. Bullying often involves intentionally making you feel embarrassed in front of others, whether through teasing, pranks, or criticism. Number 9. Frequent unwanted attention. This could include unsolicited touching, stalking, or making you uncomfortable with constant attention. Number 10. Making you feel unsafe or fearful. A bully creates an environment where you feel anxious, scared, or unsafe, both physically and emotionally. Finally, no one deserves to feel bullied, isolated, or powerless. The impact of bullying can be deep, but recognizing the signs is the first step toward reclaiming your strength. Remember, you are not alone in this, and there is support out there for you. Whether it's reaching out to a trusted friend, talking to a professional, or simply speaking up, you have the power to stand against it. Bullying doesn't define who you are. It's just a challenge to overcome, a story to rewrite. You deserve to feel safe, valued, and respected. Don't let anyone make you feel less than what you are. Stand tall, speak your truth, and never forget that your worth is beyond measure. Keep pushing forward, because you are stronger than any bully's words or actions. Stay strong, stay empowered, and know that you have the strength to take control and turn your story into one of resilience and triumph. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.